Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you so much for the opportunity given to me. My name is Tetep from Institut Pendidikan Indonesia, and in this video, I am going to present my research and detailed analysis of Mudharobah, Musyarakah, and Ijarah, partially to return on assets ROA in Islamic banks. Okay, so let's begin with why this study was conducted. As we know that Sharia banks offer 4 different types of financing products: Murabahah, Mudharobah, Musyarakah, and Ijarah, which are expected to be able to support the development of the economy. However, if we look at the table, it is clear that in some cases these products do not always affect the ROA. In 2014, for example, the Mudharobah, Musyarakah, and Ijarah financing got increased, but not the ROA, which means to say that any increase in this product, Mudharabah, Musyarakah, or Ijarah, was not always followed by an increase in ROA. The possible explanation for this is probably due to the percentage of operational expenses, which are greater than the percentage of operational income, cause ROA to decrease, just like what happened to Muamalat fee. In addition to that, the internal and the external factor from the aforesaid bank may also contribute to the decrease of ROA. So, inspired from this finding, the present study intends to investigate the effect of the financing product Mudharobah, Musyarakah, and Ijarah on the ROA of Islamic bank. And then, to inform the investigation, the study used the theory from Purwaatmaja and Tanjung 2011 for Murabahah, Mudharobah, Musyarakah, and Ijarah, while for the ROA, we use Rafika Diaz definition 2014. And then, the study is explanatory in nature, which means that research that seek to explain and highlight the relationship between the variables contained in the study and explain the effect of the independent variables on the dependent variables, in addition to testing the proposed hypothesis. To collect the data, we use a literature review in which we analyze the relevant theories and journal and document analysis to the report published by the Financial Service Authority. Okay, now we come to the finding, which I have summarized into the table. So based on the table of partial regression coefficient, we can see that based on the result of species 24 processing in the table 412, it can be seen that the value of T count greater T table is 1887 greater than 1745, and the significant level is 0.79, which means the value is greater than 0.05. From the test result above, it can be concluded that HO is rejected, meaning that Mudharobah has no significant positive effect on ROA. Meanwhile, for Musyarakah T count smaller than T table with a value of -4, 9, 8, and 7, smaller than 1, 7, 4, 5, and a significant level of null, which means the value is smaller than 1.5 or null. From the test result above, this can be concluded that HO is rejected, meaning that Mudharobah partially has a significant negative effect on ROA. And then, meanwhile, for Ijarah T count smaller than T table with a value of minus 1.309, smaller than 1.745, and a significant level of 0.209, which means the value is greater than 0.05. From the test result above, it can be concluded that HO is rejected, meaning that Ijarah partially has no effect and is not significant with ROA. And then, now we can conclude it that based on the partial analysis, 1. Mudharobah has a positive and significant effect on return on assets or ROA. 2. Mudharobah show a significant negative relationship. And 3. Ijarah has no relationship and is not significant. While based on the simultaneous testing, the result obtained that Mudharobah, Mudharobah, and Ijarah together have a positive relationship and have a significant effect on the return on asset ROA. Okay, that will sum up my presentation. Thank you for much attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.